Meaning of accounting standards, a very important topic. Today we will be studying about accounting standards and then Indian Accounting Standards, and if possible we will be covering IFRS also, International Financial Reporting Standards. Meaning of accounting standards. Accounting standards are written statements of uniform accounting rules and guidelines issued by the accounting body of the country. In our country, it is Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, to be followed while preparing and presenting the financial statements. Many a times we have studied like according to AS3, according to AS3 revised, according to AS4. What is that AS4? That what rule they are giving us? That is according to the accounting standard. Accounting standards are the rules which are made by the accounting body of the country. In India, who is our accounting body? Who is making the rules and regulations? Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. So Institute of Chartered Accountants of India makes rules and guidelines for the accountants, for the CAs, for the entire country, for India. That CAs in India will be preparing the accounts following these rules and regulations. That is why you people do CA. In CA, what you do? You study all those accounting standards, that these are the rules which ICAI has made, and when we are making the accounts of any firm, when we are making the accounts of any company, we will be making the accounts in accordance with these AS, in according to IND-AS, Indian Accounting Standards. Why we are making these accounting standards? We are making these accounting standards so that throughout India, the accounts are made by the same method, so that the accounts can be compared, so that the accounts can be used all over India. For example, here in Delhi, one CA has made the accounts, and if the rules are different in Mumbai, so that accountant, when our accounts will go to that accountant, they will not be able to understand our accounts, because we have used different methods and different methods are followed over there. That is why we make accounting standards, that throughout India you will be using these rules and regulations, you will be using these methods, so that the accounts can be understood by all the accountants, by all the users, and they are comparable, right? So now coming to, so meaning of accounting standards are, they are rules and guidelines issued by the accounting body of that country to be followed while preparing and presenting the financial statements. Main point what we have covered in the meaning is rules and guidelines, and which are issued by the accounting body of that country, for they are followed when they are followed while preparing and presenting the financial statements. Clear? Now coming to the nature and objectives of accounting standards. Accounting, we have already, I have already told you that whenever we will be studying the meaning of something, first we will study the meaning and then we will study the nature and objectives of that particular thing.